My child, listen to my voice right now. I saw every tear you cried in silence. I saw the nights when no one knew how heavy your heart felt. I saw you smile in front of others while breaking inside. And I want you to know this clearly. I never looked away. You have been waiting longer than you expected, waiting for answers, waiting for healing, waiting for peace, waiting for a breakthrough that seemed delayed again and again. But hear me carefully. Your waiting was not wasted. I know there were moments you asked, "Jesus, did you forget me? Why is everyone else moving forward while I'm still here? Why does it feel like nothing is changing?" My child, I was not ignoring you. I was preparing what you prayed for and preparing you for it. Some things could not come earlier, not because I didn't love you, but because the timing had to be right. I closed doors you didn't understand. I delayed answers you desperately wanted. I allowed seasons that tested your faith, but I was protecting you. I was strengthening you. I was building something deeper inside your heart. What you thought was over, what you thought was lost forever, what you thought could never begin again is about to rise in a new way. You didn't fail. You didn't miss your chance. You didn't arrive too late. I am the God who restores. I make beauty from ashes. I turn mourning into joy, and I specialize in new beginnings. My child, your prayers reached heaven. Your tears were counted. Your faith, even when it was weak, still moved my heart. Right now, things may still look quiet, but don't confuse silence with absence. I am working behind the scenes in ways you cannot yet see. What you prayed for is already in motion. What you waited for is aligning. What you feared would never happen is closer than you think. Do not give up now. Do not stop believing now. Do not let discouragement steal what is almost here. Your waiting season is ending. The door is opening. The story is changing. The blessing is coming. And when it arrives, you will understand why I asked you to trust me. This message is not an accident. I am speaking to you because I love you. Hold on just a little longer. I am with you, always.